We're going to be torquing tires today. We're back in our cool little manual here. Capacities and specifications. Look, technical data, I marked it off here. I want to know the foot-pounds. So there's two different measurements. Metric or English. Wheel nut torque. 190 Newton meters. 140 foot-pounds. That's Newton meters on that side. And on the other side, foot-pounds. Each one of these here increments goes up by 2, right? Then these lines here need to match up with these lines. So to adjust it, you're going to pull down on this, twist, as it keeps going up. So there isn't 140 on here. So you get it up as close as you can to the 130. Hope you guys can see that. And you're gonna put 10 here underneath the 130. 130 plus 10 will make it 140 foot-pounds of torque. Now I'm gonna take you outside and show you how to torque your wheels down. Look, I even found this. Tighten the nuts firmly in a crisscross sequence as shown by turning the wheel wrench clockwise. 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 5 to 6. There we go. Let's go outside and do it. Like the book said. 1 to 2. Now you hear that click. That means it's fully torqued, right? Even giving yourself 2 clicks just to be safe. Over to 2. Done. 3, 4, 5. Let's see. I had loose on purpose. This is 6. Always follow the torque spec. Never over torque these. They are a nightmare to come off if that ever happens. Don't ever under torque it, as the vibration can make them fall off. Never do tires like this. I see a lot of people do tires like that. Never one after another. They have a sequence, they have a torque spec. Things need to be bolted down evenly. If you're working with 6, as much as you can, try to make a star pattern. 5 lug nuts is very easy, 4 lug nuts, but always try to star pattern, put everything down evenly, never one after another.